Alright, sunny as hell. First day using the GoPro Hero 9, so I just thought I'd document what I can today. Here's Tala. Say hello to the camera, Tala. Right, dog walk. Proving to be pretty handy already. I can see myself, which is odd, using a GoPro. We've got the front screen there. So I thought I'd just make a little vlog about today. Gonna take the dog on a dog walk now, or a cycle. Check out this dog. Here she is. So I'll show you what we get up to today. It's gonna be a little day vlog. We got a small little dog walk now, and then I'm gonna meet a couple of friends down the track, and I'm gonna bring the electric motion trials bike. Everything's seriously boggy at the moment, so it'd be interesting to see how the electric motion deals with all of that, because where I'm riding is going to be very chalky, which means super slippy. Tyler's getting stoked for it. Look. Whee! I've got a GoPro backpack on. Don't know if you can see that. That was probably pretty terrible, but it's quite cool because it comes with this chest mount. So let me put you straight on there and let's get to it. Yo, this is what it's all about. Huskies love to run. Imagine if we could all have a shit like she does. With that amazing view. You're a privileged young girl, you are, Tala. Good girl. Get here. This way. Oh, shit. I'm not Graham Jarvis. There's no way that I'm getting over that. Come on, here we go. Nothing better than this time of year, going through these trails with the dog. Hell yeah, oh my god, she's so fast. Good girl. That's what it's all about, guys. Look at her. Living the dream. Couldn't be more alive right now. What are you now? You're 5.5. She's chased many squirrels, caught a few pigeons. Anyway, we're so lucky to live where we live in the Surrey Hills. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, all the cows over there in the background, but I love it. So does she. Let's go. Did I just hear you say that you want to bomb a field? You're absolutely crazy. Come on then, show me what you got. There we go. You want to bomb this field? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go on. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. That is why I love this dog. Oh, off piste. You're crazy, dude. Alright, I'll join you. Oh my god. Alright, one tired dog. Check. A bit of lunch. If you know, then you know. What we got in there? Oh, only the best. Good morning. Look at these bad boys. Yeah. The neighbours. Alright, my door's about to hit me on the head. Let's get this bike unloaded and get to it. Exciting times. No idea why I brought this white kit down today, but it ain't gonna be white by the end of today. I'm gonna do a lot of riding today on a track called Extreme Knitting. A lot of the guys down here have produced over the years, and it's just basically about 15-20 minutes of misery on a motorbike. Wet routes, off camber, super muddy, but I've got the electric motion today, and so the reason why I brought that down is just to see what it's like on this particular track. I will show you now. Let's get muddy. Alright, turn it on, map mode 1. Now we can go. The beauty of electric.
How's that feel around it?
Alright, let's see if we can get this little sleeper section in one. Trick is to keep a little bit of momentum. That's what helps me anyway, so yeah. Come on Pete, what you got? Ah, no.
Fucking that makes it look easy, mate.
That's a rider. Yeah. Oh, I committed. That's it. That's it. He's over. He's over. Well done.
Full commitment, mate.
That's it. Yes.
Full commitment, you get.
Here we are. Extreme knitting. It's going to be a bit different on this electric trials bike, but I'm going to give it a go and won't be talking through it, I don't think. Obviously it's super lightweight. I think I'm going to use middle mode, so that's blue mode on the electric motion, and away we go. Right, so got to try and clear my tyres as much as possible because they're going to get caked in this thick mud. Right. Plenty of grip there. Now I don't have to use the clutch because obviously being electric I can use it as twist and go, but I use the clutch now and again. I think just out of bad habit in a way. I'm used to what I'm doing with the big bikes. Okay, a little bit sideways. Weird here at the engines. Oi, oi. slippery routes everywhere around here. Hey, he held on to it. Lost my front end. Get back on. Come on.